Right, shall we take a look at this slingshot? The slingshot, I'm going to call it a slingshot. I have no idea if that's what it's called. I mean, I could also call it like a boomerang, but it's the rotatey thing. So I'm pushing forward to turn, forward to turn. Okay. There's quite a few things happening here. Before you start this, you should be comfortable with the toe shuffle foundation. And when you're moving on to this, you should be comfortable with turning around, as in doing a transition to just skating and being able to rotate from one direction to the other. And in this move, so I've got my right foot forward now. That means my hips are opening to the front. So my right foot is going to go onto, is going to remain on its toe as I flick the heel out away from the rest of my body. It puts a stress on my body. So because I've done a bounce, I'm going to essentially be on my toe wheels for just a fraction as I flick that round, which is going to give me momentum if I time it with my shoulder pushing my right shoulder round at the same time. It's going to turn my full body around to face the other way. So I'm pushing my right toe out as I flick the heel and push the shoulder. I have to bounce my other heel the other way in order to rotate. So it's a lot going on at the same time. Push, rotate. Okay. And if I do it if I do that rotation and really twist that knee in, flick the heel out and push the shoulder, it is going to be enough to push me around like quickly. If you're worried about trying this, try it in shoes first. Don't try it on skates. But now I'm going to push that same foot forward again. So I'm pushing, my right is in that backwards position. I'm going to just push it forward again. And I have a choice. I can now either continue my dribble, continue the toe shuffle facing the other direction. So I can just keep on shuffling, facing this way, whatever I want to do, whether it's continuous or I'm going backwards. See you later, alligator. Or I could continue to rotate. I could use my right again and go 360. So I've gone right. Or I could use my left and take myself back. So if I was performing for you, I would want to use my right leg and then use my left leg so that my body is never facing away from the camera, from you. Okay. So here we go. Go back to my starting position. Push, reach, flick. Push. That pattern didn't work. Push. Okay, here we go. Reach, flick. Now you are gonna find that you've got a preference, as with everything. You'll find you have a preference one way over the other. So, push, double push. So it's almost that the toe out at this point is acting as an anchor, but by swiveling your heel, you can maintain weight in that position without there needing to be a toe stop. Now, maybe I'm going to replay this bit in super slow-mo so I can actually see also what is going on. So we're going push, swivel, woo, didn't bounce enough, so it didn't quite work. swivel, push and push, push and push, 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 push. Okay, so the slingshot, very satisfying move. And do you recall in the base move, the foundation move, we talked about upper body position and how you needed to have your shoulders over your hips stacked. And you're going to be in this position and your arms are going to be at waist height, assisting you to keep this position as opposed to this position. This is why, because when you are rotating with the foot out, it is so much easier if you can rotate with your body remaining in one fixed position, because then you're just turning. If you are here, you're going to have to first correct your body position here, and then you're going to feel grounded again. And actually, that's way harder to do. You're going to find that you're not going to move as smoothly. It's not going to feel as nice. It probably is part of the process. I don't recall filming this for myself, but probably it is. But I think I don't have the level of awareness then that I have now. So that would be a normal part of learning. So I now know upper body position is incredibly important in your roller skate goals, in achieving what it is that you're setting out to do. So if you want to try this slingshot move, definitely pay attention to your upper body position. Okay. What else do we need to know? Right. If we want a couple of other little variations, I'm just going to have a little dance about now, and let's have a little play.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr.